The Kenmore 4.5 cubic feet top load washer is a perfect blend of performance, convenience, and efficiency. I have provided the link to this washer in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. Let's talk about why this machine deserves your attention. Right out of the gate, it's built to handle heavy-duty laundry challenges. The Triple Action Impeller is a real workhorse. It uses a smart mix of water flow, basket motion, and clothes rotation to knock out dirt and stains effectively without beating up your fabrics. Whether you're washing muddy jeans or delicate items, this washer makes sure everything comes out clean and intact. Time-saving features are where this machine really shines. The express wash option is ideal when you're in a rush. It can clean a small load in just about 30 minutes. That's a huge deal when you're trying to squeeze in laundry between meetings or errands. For larger loads, the Accela Wash comes into play, cutting your cycle time by up to 51% without sacrificing cleaning power. Basically, you get more laundry done in less time. And with 10 different wash cycles to choose from, including specific ones for towels, delicates, and even a cold clean, you have the flexibility to match each load to the right care setting. Operation is smooth and user-friendly thanks to its combination of knob and light-touch digital controls. It doesn't overwhelm you with buttons or menus. Instead, everything is clear and easy to adjust. The LED display shows exactly how much time is left in your cycle, so you're never left guessing. Plus, the soft closed glass lid is a nice touch. It won't slam shut and adds a bit of sleekness to the look. On the efficiency front, Kenmore's cold clean cycle gives you a solid wash while saving up to 90% more energy, which is great for your utility bill and the environment. All in all, if you're looking for a reliable washer that's fast, easy to use, and designed to handle real-life laundry messes, this one checks all the boxes.